Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best inflatable car air mattress that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is KMZ SUV Inflatable Car Air Mattress. The KMZ SUV Air Mattress in beige and coffee color offers a comfortable and reliable option for resting during travel or camping. Designed for use in the trunk or rear seat of an SUV, this inflatable bed includes 2 pillows, an electric air pump, and a carry bag for easy storage. The mattress is crafted with double-sided flocking made from high-quality polyvinyl chloride material, providing a soft and skin-friendly surface that is safe and free from harmful substances. Its thick build offers durability while resisting pressure and shock, making it suitable for various environments. The design features 4 separate air chambers that allow for flexible inflation according to space needs, whether for single or multiple users. It can be quickly inflated using the included pump connected to a vehicle power source and just as easily deflated through wide vents for compact storage. The portable build makes it ideal for those who need a versatile sleeping solution on the go. This inflatable bed is suitable for use both indoors and outdoors, from hosting guests at home to enjoying outdoor adventures. It can handle a wide range of temperatures, making it useful in both summer heat and cold winter conditions. Whether for camping, beach trips, or long road journeys, the KMZ SUV Air Mattress offers a supportive and adaptable rest space. With a high weight capacity and quality materials, it ensures a stable and enjoyable sleeping experience wherever your travels take you. In our list, the number 2 product name is ISWEES Inflatable Car Air Mattress. The ISWEES Car Bed SUV Air Mattress in black color offers a practical and comfortable solution for sleeping during travel. Designed for back seat, side seat, and trunk use, it includes an electric air pump, 2 inflatable pillows, and 2 footrests for added convenience. Its honeycomb-structured design supports the body naturally while enhancing comfort, making long journeys more relaxing. The added child protection feature helps keep young passengers safe by preventing them from falling forward, and the headboard offers protection from hard surfaces while adding a decorative touch. 2 filling pillars provide additional storage space and stability, preventing items from rolling away and ensuring the mattress stays in place during use. The footrests also contribute to a stable setup, making it easier to rest or sleep without discomfort. Crafted from flocking and polyvinyl chloride materials, the mattress combines resilience with a soft texture that feels pleasant to the touch. Its durable build supports up to 660 pounds, ensuring dependable performance for different users. This inflatable bed is designed for quick inflation and deflation through a double-layer air nozzle, using the included car pump to be ready within minutes. Once deflated, it folds compactly into the provided storage bag, saving space and making it easy to carry. Suitable for road trips, camping, beach outings, or simply relaxing outdoors, it adapts to most vehicles including cars, sport utility vehicles, and multi-purpose vehicles, making it a reliable travel companion for various adventures. In our list, the number 3 product name is Umbrauto Inflatable Car Air Mattress. The Umbrauto SUV Air Mattress in gray color offers a reliable and comfortable resting option for travel, camping, and outdoor activities. Designed to fit most compact to full-size sport utility vehicles, it provides a supportive and soft sleeping surface for 1 or 2 adults. The plush flock top creates a smooth feel against the skin, while the durable polyvinyl chloride body and extra thick 210T grid fabric on the bottom add strength and resistance against punctures. This combination makes it dependable for repeated use in different environments. Its 6-chamber construction allows it to adapt to various setups, whether placed in an SUV trunk across a back seat, or even inside a camping tent. The included electric pump with a 3-meter charging cable makes inflation and deflation quick and efficient, saving time during setup or packing. Once deflated, the mattress folds compactly into its storage bag, making it easy to carry and store without taking up much space. The mattress also comes with 2 inflatable pillows, repair patches, a nozzle, and an adapter, ensuring you have everything needed for a complete setup. Its weight capacity supports over 570 pounds, offering stable rest for multiple users. Suitable for road trips, beach outings, festivals, or extended travel, it ensures comfort no matter where the journey leads. With quality materials, a convenient design, and portability, this inflatable bed is a dependable choice for those seeking relaxation and ease while on the move. In our list, the number 4 product name is DikaSun Inflatable Car Air Mattress. The DikaSun Car Air Mattress in ash gray offers a practical and comfortable way to rest during long journeys, outdoor adventures, or even at home. Designed to fit in the back seat of various vehicles, including sport utility vehicles, trucks, multi-purpose vehicles, and saloon cars, it creates a soft and supportive sleeping space for both children and adults. The thick flock surface combined with durable polyvinyl chloride material provides a smooth texture while resisting wear, moisture, and impact. The thoughtful design includes an anti-drop feature to help keep young passengers or pets safe while the vehicle is in motion. With a weight capacity that can accommodate multiple people, it is suitable for family trips, road travel, or overnight camping. Its sturdy build and leak-resistant technology ensure consistent support, while the waterproof and easy-to-clean surface makes it low maintenance after use. The included electric pump connects to a vehicle power source for quick inflation and deflation, saving time and effort when setting up or packing away the bed. This inflatable mattress is not limited to vehicle use. It can also be placed in tents, on balconies, in living rooms, or in guest spaces at home. It comes with 2 pillows, a carry bag, and functional foot supports for added comfort and stability. Whether for a weekend camping trip, a cross-country road adventure, or creating extra sleeping space at home, the DikaSun Car Air Mattress delivers convenience, portability, and comfort wherever it is needed. In our list, the number 5 product name is Ciremiv Inflatable Car Air Mattress. The Ciremiv car bed in off-white and gray offers a practical sleeping solution for road trips, camping, and overnight travel. Designed for use in the trunk of an SUV, minivan, or multi-purpose vehicle, it provides a supportive and comfortable rest space for both children and adults. The thick structure with air coil beam design offers stability and balanced weight distribution, helping to reduce fatigue during long journeys. This inflatable bed features a soft, waterproof, and velvet-like surface that feels pleasant against the skin, combined with a durable base that resists damage from scratches and wear. Its leak-resistant build is enhanced with a dual-layer valve to maintain air pressure for extended periods. The built-in pillow adds convenience, while the firmness can be adjusted with the included air pump for personalized comfort. The mattress comes with a complete set of accessories, including inflatable pillows, a repair patch, an eye mask, earplugs, rear window screens, and a lightweight carry bag for portability. It inflates and deflates quickly, making setup and storage easy when traveling. Once packed, it fits neatly into the trunk without taking up much space. Suitable for camping trips, long drives, or serving as an extra bed for guests, this inflatable sleeping pad transforms any suitable space into a cozy resting area. Its design specifically fits the trunk area, offering a secure and private sleeping arrangement. Whether for leisure travel or outdoor adventure, the Ciremiv car bed combines comfort, portability, and convenience in one versatile package. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.